Hi everyone, welcome to ResepKik channel. Today I'm going to share on how to make fried crispy banana. The ingredients that need to be prepared are banana. Peel the banana and split into half, something like this. 8 tablespoons of flour, half teaspoon of salt, water, breadcrumb, and cooking oil. As for topping, I use Nutella and cheddar cheese. For the first step, I'm going to mix the flour with salt and also the water. And I will blend it together. Until the texture is not too thick or watery. And now, dip the bananas into the flour mixture. Then into the breadcrumb. And now the banana is ready to fry. I'm going to deep fry the banana. Until golden brown. While fried the banana, don't forget to flip over, so let the banana cook evenly. After golden brown, I will remove it from the pan. Finally, I'm going to add the Nutella and cheddar cheese as a topping. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at ResepKik channel. Bye bye.